Bonjour. Ça va? Bonjour. Ça va bien? American?
ارمس $100
$100.
اه
And this?
جذابك $6
Rocket launcher.
ها تو والله يا
Yeah?
والهلا
I can see it?
والهلا يا
Yeah? Chinese, yeah? Chinese. Yeah.
Cat.
Cat? What is
Cat. Something to eat when the food finished or afternoon. Most of the people, they are chewing.
This for our medicine?
Yeah, it's for militia, yeah. Sure.
They're looking for how to get only the khat. At the morning, if they wake up, they look for how to get a khat. They haven't any meaning or they don't want anything. If they get a khat, they are happy. They will sleep and they will eat. But if they didn't get, they will kill what they will take the property of the people. Even they kill it. There was 2 weeks. The other Khat didn't come in Mogadishu. And it's in Kenya country. Stop it. There was a problem by the terrorist group. There was lovely days. But all the people was there was in the market. They eat the meat, the food. The restaurant, the bars was full of people. They are eating food because there's no Khat to eat.
Chalo.